ng pag-ibig na wagas. Storya ng pagtataksil at pang-aahas. May ginawang panakip butas. May happy ending ang wakas. Damdaming malambot at matigas. Sa live drama, pwede nang ilabas. Tutulo na at tatagas ang mga katas ng nakalipas.
Katas ng nakalipas.
Angkol, Dagol,
And Tita Max. Tanya, Chinita. Kung matapos kong subukan sa Chinese at Afam, mag-Koreano naman kaya ako. Hello, Colentits. Ako pa rin to, yung kahapon, si Michelle ng Davao del Sur. Power to to.
Ay, okay, salamat naman at sumunod ka ulit.
Diba po, nakwento ko kahapon na dancer po ako sa club. At yun nga, nabuntis ako ng niniwang. Tapos iniwan ako niniwang.
Kawawa.
Tapos, pangako naman ng AFAM. Dadalhin ako sa States.
Sino yung apam?
Sino ba yun siya?
Adam.
Si Adam. Pero hindi naman ako binalikan.
Maraming chicks si Adam, parang ako.
Ang daming chicks ni Adam eh. Nasa lahi talaga siya ni Adan. Medyo natutrauma ako, pero sige. May nanliligaw. Sabi nga ni Tita Max, di mo malalaman kung di mo susubukan lahat at titikman.
Hoy! Ano sinasabi?
Wala akong sinabing ganun ha?
Hinawa yung sarili, guys.
Matapos ko nga po yung si Adam, yung kaibigan ko binigay yung Facebook ko sa isang Koreano na si Lee. Kaso, jutay po ito eh. Gusto ko sana ducks ang mata. Pero bahala na. Tingnan natin. Abangan nyo na po ang aking mga
katas ng nakalipas.
Ayan, mas dito tayo sa Samgyup kasi Koreano to eh.
Pag Koreano, kailangan samgyup. Kumakain din naman sila ng ang pansit haba ba?
Hindi nila Yung sa Quezon Province, hindi nila alam yan sa Lukban.
Alam nila yan, yung pansit
Ayan,
galing
ayan
yan sa mga Asian. Ayun na, kinakabahan ako. Mars, ang puti. Pero baka pag sinubo ko, yung ganito lang.
Hoy! Michelle, ikaw talaga.
Sorry. Alam mo naman.
Hi, Lee! Hi! Kamsahamnida!
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Liamnida. Mas alam po ba mag-Koreano sa'yo na? Liamnida. Michelle Nida.
I practice Tagalog and English.
Parang Ilonggo.
At ulong ko na yun dyan.
Ilonggo.
My friend.
Ilonggo. May accent ka na Ilonggo na Koreano.
May ilonggo siguro.
Parang kang si Sarjan.
This is my friend.
Michelle Mida.
Michelle.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Lee.
Okay, Lee.
Liamnida. Please sit down. Upo. Sit down. So, we are ordered already, but you have to pay because we have no money. Yes.
Okay, I'll pay.
You'll pay?
Yeah, I'll pay.
Mars, ito na yung sign. Siya na yung nagpe-pay. Di ba ang babaw ko? Alam mo naman kasi yung trauma ko eh.
Ay, naku, Mas. Si Adam naman, nagpipay naman. Pero sige na, huwag natin pag-usapan yung farm na yun.
How are you today?
I'm good.
That's good.
Try to talk in English.
English?
Yeah.
Yeah, your English is so straight. So,
I study in.
Are you married?
No. I'm single.
You're single? Why?
Joahio.
What?
Joahio.
Sabi niya, gusto ka raw niya.
Interpret that.
Gusto ka raw niya.
Ah.
Di ba?
You like me?
Yeah.
Like, what level of likeness? Like, because, my previous relationships, they used to say that they like me too. However, it's on the surface level. They promise they will get me. What's funny?
Yun.
Masihirapan siya kasi sana daw siya mag-English.
What's
Pero
that?
Korean
What's
siya.
that? What's that?
I want to bring you to Korea. Nanon.
Ganun.
Nanon.
What's that? Let me read it.
Yeah.
Where's that?
Hirap na hirap siya.
I can see.
Yeah. Nanon.
Na Korea? Ngani dong. Harapan
Ano niya? Korea nga ni. Ilonggo ka na ito. Tituli ka na to. Lapit sa pisot.
Masaitindihan niya pa, Marciata. Ilonggo na lang kaya. Paano kaya nila nalaman?
Yeah, that I promise. I'll bring you to Korea.
Which part? North or south?
Yeah.
The South.
The South
part.
Korea.
South.
Oh, in Seoul, right? In Seoul? De. Say de.
De.
De means yes.
De.
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 No, de means yes.
De.
But that's not true. All of my previous relationship, they also thought, yes.
Yes, that's true. Yeah. Ayun na nga.
They told me also that they will bring me to their country, but ending, they left me. I have a child now. I'm single mom because of the Chinese national.
Ano dyan
Ano daw, Mars?
Hindi niya gagawin yun sa'yo.
I don't
South Korea.
I don't believe you.
Yeah.
Dadalhin ka raw niya talaga dun sa South Korea. Maniwala ka raw.
You know what? There's a saying, Lee, to see is to believe. To see is to believe. And I don't trust
I'll
words.
prove it to you.
I don't trust words. I just trust actions and effort. So, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Beef, please.
Yes, ma'am. B1, B2.
Beef, just plain beef po.
Right away, ma'am.
Ali, Asian Pac boy.
He's an Asian, but yeah.
He's from Asia. He's from Asia.
Asia,
He's a
and-
good friend of ours, and
Yeah.
he wants also to check on you if you are
Or legit.
True. You're true. Legit.
Yeah, I'm.
De?
Yeah, de.
De.
Okay, we'll see. We'll
Kami
see. We'll see. Let's eat. I'm
Let's
hungry.
eat yo. Let's eat yo.
Yeah.
De.
De.
Ano yun, Mars? Parang,
Hindi, oo daw. Oo lang. No. Pero ayoko maniwala. Hindi ako naniniwala dyan, no? Narito. Pare-pareho lang yung mga lalaki, di ba? Pilipino, Koreano, Chinese, Apam, Londoner. Londoner!
Londoner is okay.
Pare-pareho yan, mga ngako, sali-salita para matikman ka nila. Pero pagkatapos nun, mawawala nun ng parang bula, hindi ka nakilala. Pagkatapos makuha, ano nang gagawin? Pero sige. Let's give Lee the benefit of the letter D. Benefit of the?
Benefit of the dog?
No.
Okay, bye.
No. Trixie, benefit of the?
Of the dubbed? May B kasi yun, sayang naman.
Benefit of SSS.
Di kasi Mars, last ka na.
Benefit of D. DSWD. Okay, papush ko to. Wala naman mawala sa akin. Hindi naman ako magpapatikim. Kaya sige, try ko muna. At least ngayon, mas matalino na ako. At di na ako masyadong na-attach. Tama yan!
Hoy!
Now I'm kaya.
Ano daw, Trixie?
Sama ka raw sa kanya.
Where?
Korea. But we will marry. Will you marry me?
I mean, it's easy to say but difficult to prove. So, prove first. I don't believe that. Marriage. You just want to taste my body. You just want my body.
No, nawag yun hell.
Wagyu?
Nawag yun nun July.
Ayaw niya na wag yung sila gulay, Julie.
Ayaw yan ang wagyu. Sarap
Sabi niya,
nga naman.
pakakasalan mo ba raw siya? Will you marry him? Sabi niya.
Are you proposing?
Yeah, de.
Where's...
I will buy in Korea. Not here. I will buy in Korea, original one. Okay?
But how can I prove that your proposal is true?
It's true. If you agree. De?
De. Opa.
Mary,
Opa.
go.
Let's go.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Lee?
Congratulations, Mas Kim! Pumalakpak ka dyan, Kim, para...
Oh, congratulations! Lap, lap, the bride! Lap, 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 lap,
Uy,
lap.
congrats! Uy, anong lap-lap?
Lap, 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 lap.
Happy?
Sarangyo.
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 Ay, malakpakan na sa
Sarangyo, Lee.
sigawan!
Palakpakan naman kayo dyan sa likod. Thank you so much. Sarangyo pa.
I'll go back to Korea and I'll get you back.
That's the true.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah. I'll go back to Korea and I'll get you.
No.
Mas baka hindi na naman
It
babalik
happened
yan.
to me before. It happened to me before. I don't trust that.
Yeah,
Sorry.
trust me. I'll be back.
Oh,
Sarangyo.
okay, I trust you, Sarangyo, Lee. Sarangyo. 감사합니다. ikaw. Naginip lang ako, call and tits, pero pinakasalan niya po talaga ako. Ang bait po ni Lee, kaya hindi ako nahirapan. Bumalik nga po siya ng South Korea at kinabahan ako, pero... You are...
I'm back.
Is that you?
Yeah. I'll get you.
Sarang ngayon.
I'll get you and we'll process the papers of your
My daughter?
yeah, of your daughter. We'll get your daughter also, but we'll go first in South Korea. 사랑해요.
Is this true?
Yeah.
사랑해요. 감사합니다. 비빔밥.
Mas nagugutom tuloy ako. Andito ako, Mars. Siyempre akong translator.
비빔밥, kimchi.
사랑해요.
사랑해요.
I go
빨리
to
아빠.
South Korea, okay?
아빠 저봐.
Mars, mamaya na yan. Nandito ako eh.
Sige na.